1. Getting started. To ensure a smooth learning experience, it is important to review and meet the technical requirements. A stable internet connection is essential for uninterrupted access to course materials. Using a laptop or desktop computer is highly recommended for optimal navigation and performance. While mobile devices are not supported or recommended due to potential limitations in functionality, additionally, you will need to install the Chrome browser to access all course features seamlessly. 2. Preparing for success. Time management is crucial for success. Create a dedicated study schedule by allocating specific times for studying and adhering to a routine. It is also essential to set aside distraction-free time during the day to focus entirely on your studies. Creating a productive learning space can further enhance your experience. Ensure your study area is well lit, quiet, and comfortable, with all necessary materials within reach. Understanding the course structure is another key to preparation. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including modules, lessons, and assignments, to gain a clear picture of how the course is organized. Determine whether the course follows a self-paced approach or scheduled deadlines and plan your progress accordingly. 3. Navigating the course platform. The user dashboard is your central hub for managing your course. Learn to utilize its key features, such as the progress tracker, calendar, and notifications, to stay organized and informed. Understanding how to navigate through lessons and modules is equally important. You will need to access and complete video lectures, assigned readings, and quizzes as part of the course requirements. Make sure that you watch the video in its entirety. Preemptively stopping the video or trying to skip forward will not give you credit for that video section and may require you to watch the entire video again. 4. Engaging with the content. Active learning strategies play a significant role in retaining information. Taking notes during lectures can enhance your understanding and retention of the material. Interactive features such as quizzes, polls, and activities are designed to reinforce your learning. Completing practical exercises or assignments allows you to apply your knowledge in meaningful ways and further solidify your understanding. 5. Staying motivated. Setting personal goals can help align the course objectives with your own aspirations, keeping you motivated throughout the journey. Regularly reviewing progress reports and monitoring your completion rates will provide a clear picture of your advancement. Celebrating milestones, such as the completion of modules or specific tasks, is a great way to maintain momentum and recognize your achievements. 6. Assessment and certification. Assignments and exams are integral parts of the course. To prepare effectively, review course materials thoroughly and practice sample questions. Feedback is a valuable tool for improvement. Whether it is provided by an instructor or automated, use it to refine your understanding and performance. Once you have completed the course, follow the instructions to download or request your certificate, if applicable. Seven, beyond the course. Applying the knowledge gained from the course to real-life scenarios can maximize its value. Explore practical ways to implement your new skills in professional or personal contexts. For additional assistance, you can contact us at 317-865-9400. Real University will report your course completion within 10 days to the state authority.